Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Puneet Amin and on this video I and Hunter, that is my Royal Enfield's Interceptor 650 go off-roading. If you want to know what is this location and how I got here, click on the pop-up I button or click on the link in the description. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. And now let's begin. So it's time to go off-road. Let's go. So there is going to be a little bit of a tricky bit, but not that much. Keep it in first gear and let's keep rolling. Interceptor off-roading. Go, 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 yes, yes. People coming. Nice. Look at this view, this off-roading view. view, baby. Oh my god, beautiful, just beautiful. मजेदार,
मस्त है ऑफ-रोडिंग। ये शायद खोल सकते हैं।
and even Continental GT made off-roading, and this is the view. So that's an end of an off-roading video. More riders coming in, and if you want to watch the whole ride video, there's a pop-up I button coming up. Watch it. Goodbye and see you soon.